Here we are going to look at Linux networking. We will be setting up one Linux networking lab. First of all, we are going to configure different IP settings and then install required packages. In our case, initially the lab will look like this. We will be involving 3 systems, and on all 3 systems we will be using CentOS 7 Linux. So in our case, the 3 systems would be like this. That means we will have one master.example.com, which will be having the address 172.24.0.1/16, and then we will be having initially 2 client systems. Again, those are going to be Linux system. One of them will be c10.example.com, and it will have the address 172.24.0.10. And then we have another Linux system which will be having the address c20.example.com, and it will be having the address 172.24.0.20. In our case, we will be creating 3 users also on master.example.com, Vipin, Ani and Nanu, and we are going to give one simple password 1, although that is not recommended. So in our case, we will be involving this. Then we will be installing various packages on these 3 systems. Here on master system, we are going to install server packages also, and here we are going to install client packages. And then we will move towards the basic networkings of Linux. Then we will move towards that remote management in Linux. Then slowly we are going to move towards the server portion also, and we will be also involving one Windows system also for certain labs. So that system we will configure later on. And regarding which packages we are going to install on which systems, in our case on master system we are going to install various packages, yum install telnet server by using this command. Then we will be installing web server, FTP server, NFS utility, and then we will be installing certain client packages like telnet, FTP, elinks, wget, curl, JIT and lftp. And on C10 and C20 we are going to install telnet, FTP, elinks, wget, curl, JIT, lftp and NFS utility package. These type of packages we are going to install. So initially let us set up the lab, and let us prepare 3 labs. So in our case, what we have done, we have got already 3 systems. In our case, first we install the simple Linux CentOS 7. Then we created 3 clones of that. One of clone is master, second is your C10, and third one is C20. That means we are starting from the total from the beginning, and slowly we are going to configure all these 3 systems according to our diagram that we have specified.